Hi friends, now we are going to see how to make baby food that will keep the baby's stomach filling, and then it will make the baby to sleep well at night. Come, let's see how to do this recipe. First we have to roast 3 spoons of rice and 3 spoons of broken wheats. We have to dry roast this till it turns brown. Now we have added both and we are going to roast it till the rice turns slight brown. After this, we will transfer the roasted materials to the mixer grinder and we have to grind it coarsely. See, coarse powder. Then we have to add 1 spoon of ghee in the pan, and then we have to add handful of grated carrot. Then we have to add 2 glasses of water, and then we have to add salt, jeera powder, and if the baby is above 1 year, we can add black pepper powder. Then we have to add the grinded powder to this. We have to cook it around 10 minutes. Here the food is ready. Thank you.